Today I'm going to be looking at aquaponics and seeing if I can get this plant to grow with this fish. I'll be looking at the relationship between the two and how to grow plants in a soilless system. From what I've read online, all you need is a pump to pump the fish's dirty water through a plant bed containing no soil and then return that water back to the fish. For this test, I have a Peak 6-gallon per hour pump and a small plant that I got at Home Depot. The final ingredient is a soil medium replacement, so rather than using soil, I'll be growing it in these pebbles, and all the nutrients will be supplied by the water in the fish tank. Alright, I'm going to get started and I'll get back to you as soon as I've made some progress. My first step I'm going to take is trying to separate the plants from the dirt that they came with. And it's not easy to do, it's surprisingly difficult, so I've got them in a bowl of water and I'm trying to soak the dirt out. Having now separated one of the plants off, I'm going to add these rocks to a bowl and let it acclimatize to the idea of not always having soil. I've decided not to leave it in this bowl overnight. Instead, I'm going to transfer it to this smaller pop can. Thus, the roots will be more covered by the rocks. Then I'll leave a little bit of water in it, and I'll leave it overnight. Alright, so it's the next day, and my plant seems to have survived the night. This morning, I'm going to try to pull it out and transplant it into the fish tank. I've just pulled the plant out of this little container and put it in here, and the roots seem to look okay. Next problem to solve is the filter, and I'm not really sure how I'm going to figure out. So I think this side is the one that the plant should go on, and I think that this side is just basically output water because the brown on the side of the filter implies that that's where all the good bacteria is. So the challenge then is to make enough room on this side of the filter to put the filter over here a little bit more so that the plant can sit on this side with all the good bacteria and the filter can still protect my fish. Once I'm more confident in this system, I might consider removing the filter and just leaving the plant to filter the water. So now I have removed the old filter and I've jammed a new filter in a place that it's not really supposed to be, and I've propped it there with a rock to make more room on the pump side, and now I'm going to put the plant and the rocks in. So now I've filled this side with rocks and I've added the plant and I've replaced it in the fish tank, and we'll have to leave it for a few days to see if it works. So it's been a few days and the plant seems to be doing well, and so does my fish. Seems to be filtering okay, so I'll get back to you when there's some more progress. Thanks for watching!